In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you how to pass pointers to your functions in C programming language. So let's go here and create a simple program that generates times in seconds, and it's going to help us to pass in pointers into a function. So let's go here and create void time generator. So void time generator, and this takes unsigned. So unsigned long pt, pointer pt, and you go ahead and get the current number of time in seconds. So get the current number of time in seconds by using pointer pt is equal to time, and the time is going to be now, and press semicolon at the end. So this is a void. It does not return anything. So anytime you don't want a void to return anything, you don't need to put return there. Or if you put a return, you go ahead and just put semicolon because it does not return anything. So if you remove the return, actually it will not do anything because it is return. And this, I want this to be outside the main function. So copy this, cut this out from inside the main function, and go up here and paste that. So this code is going to be outside here, and then we call this function right inside here. So now we have created this simple time generator function, and we want to call that in here to create the time in seconds for us, to generate time in seconds. And we're going to we pass in this time. Remember, we pass this time into the pointer address. So that is the time address. We put that into the pointer address. So now let's go here and initialize unsigned. Let's say unsigned long. So unsigned long time. Create. Okay, so we have time already. So let's go here and say unsigned long seconds, and press semicolon at the end. Down, let's go here and print the actual value of the time, and let's go here and say print f, and you go ahead and say time generator in. So time generator in seconds. Time generator in seconds is percentage LD. So percentage LD, and this move to the next line, and go here and impute the value of seconds right here. So press semicolon at the end. Now you've done this. For this to move on, you go here and call in the function time generator right here. I'm going to say time generator, and I'm going to pass in the value of seconds right there by calling and operator seconds. So put a semicolon at the end, and if both things being equal, we go ahead and include one more thing right here, because we've generated the time, and this is the function we use to create a time generator, and we call in the time right here. So we need to come up here under the header files and include. Let's go ahead and put this, the hash and include time. So we have this header file called time.hash. So now we've done this, go ahead and run this code. And time generator in seconds is this. So this is the value of the time generator in seconds. And you can see that that works out fine. Okay. So I hope that is very cool. And in this way, you have seen how we pass in pointer into our function, and by passing in time right into the pointer pt. Okay, we pass in time into the pointer pt, and we declared pointer pt right inside the time generator, which we call right inside here, and went ahead and printed that out in seconds. So this might not make sense much to you as a beginner, but when you keep moving right into computer programming using C language, you're going to see the importance of using this and passing in pointer into functions in C programming language. So if you have any question under this video lecture, please use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Please don't fail to include time.header right here. So thank you, and see you in the next video lecture.